Core Business Suite unifies case and knowledge management. Whether you're handling HR requests, procurement inquiries, legal matters, facilities issues, or finance questions, Core Business Suite provides a place for employees to get help and teams to manage work. For employees, the interface displays all available departments in one view, as well as their active requests, regardless of which department is handling them. Suppliers can raise general requests or an invoice request on the supplier portal. A fulfiller experience will also be available soon. On the home page, you can set up Core Business Suite under the Auto Install card. You can also select multiple departments at once or choose when to enable. We'll select the Core Business Suite setup card to begin. In this example, we're enabling HR. The product console guides you through the setup for each department, including key capabilities like Employee Center, intake forms, workspace, and request a role. You can assign people who will manage incoming requests and customize the pre-configured notifications. After setup, employees can access the enabled departments and start raising requests. This simplified setup provides faster time to value without extensive configuration. Core Business Suite delivers AI-native capabilities that evolve with your needs. As your implementation matures, you can add automated case deflection and intelligent case routing. CBS enables a streamlined service desk experience where AI takes the lead in handling routine requests automatically across departments, freeing up your teams to focus on complex, high-value work. AI-powered answers and agentic configuration make it easier to scale efficiently as you grow. Core Business Suite empowers you to upgrade to advanced workflow capabilities without disrupting your operations, protecting your investment as your needs evolve. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.